Morning Orange class, I hope this video finds you safe and well on a Monday morning. Yes, we are back to videos again, I'm afraid, because we can't see each other in the flesh. But let's keep our fingers crossed that that won't be for too much longer. So, each Monday I'm going to pop on and talk to you about the week's learning, and each week it should follow a very similar format. We are giving you spelling activities each day, phonics activities each day, English activities each day, maths activities each day, and foundation stage activities each day. Plus, there's always BBC Bite Size to look at 9 o'clock in the morning. They cover a range of subjects during the week, and there's going to be a celebrity supply teacher, there's Art Ninja, Operation Ouch for you to look at. So if mummies and daddies do need some extra time on the telephone doing their own work, then that's something that you can 100% do all on your own. So I'm going to talk you through the week. On the overview, you have been given your sparkly spellings or your star spellings to look at. Now you know what group you're in, so you pick the one that's right for you. We've done the same for phonics, so you've got some phonic activities to do. All the PowerPoints that I'm going to talk about and the attachments I'm going to talk about, you can find with your adults' help on Purple Mash. And hopefully that's been set out nice and easily for you, so all the maths PowerPoint and worksheets that you need are in one section, English is in another, and the foundation stage subjects are in another. So it shouldn't be too much bother for you. So in English this week, we are asking you first of all to create your own book nook. Somewhere nice and cosy in the house that you can cuddle up with some cuddly toys, a blanket, maybe some twinkly lights. Choose 5 books that you either already know or books that are new to you to read during the week with your adult. Have a look at those books. Think about character, think about plot, think about setting. Maybe your adult can talk to you about the characters that you like, why you like them, characters you don't like, why you don't like them, make predictions about what you think is going to happen next. We'd love to see pictures of those book nooks, so if you get an opportunity, have a little photo of you in your nook and post it up onto the Purple Mash blog. That would be lovely. In English, we're asking you to make a weather diary. There's a PowerPoint to look at first, and then you make your own weather diary. Now that can be in book form, so 7 pages, 1 a day, or you could make a grid on a piece of A4 paper. We're asking you to label the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Draw a picture of the weather, and then underneath write, it is sunny today, it is windy today. Remembering, of course, capital letters, finger spaces and full stops. We're also looking at adjectives this week. Now we've done this before, you will remember, in class, and you had it as homework. So revising what adjectives are and why we use them. Then there is an attachment in the English section where you choose 3, at least 3 of the winter items listed, and then underneath each picture write as many adjectives as you can to describe it. I think you've been given 9, so pick at least 3 of those. The following day you're going to use those adjectives to write descriptive sentences. Again, pick at least 3 of them, and if you want a bit more of a challenge, use the word and or because in your sentence. So you give us 2 adjectives. You are also doing winter clothes labelling in the week. So again, there's an attachment with varying degrees of challenge. Some sheets have the person in the middle, boxes around, and the initial sound given. Some boxes are empty. You will always have a word bank at the bottom though to pick the words from. Okay. One other activity for English is going to be describing a picture. Again, there's an attachment for this. Look at the picture, maybe with your adult if they have some time. Talk about everything that you can see. Answer how, when, why and where questions. And then underneath there are some lines and you have a go at describing the picture to the best of your ability. In maths, we are adding by making 10 and we're subtracting by counting back. All of the work in maths is from White Rose, which you are all familiar with. There is a PowerPoint for each day, clearly labelled Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and there is a worksheet for Tuesday through Friday. On Monday there's a game to play which is explained in the PowerPoint, and there is a TENS frame attachment for your parents to print out so that you can play it. We are aware there are a lot of attachments, so don't feel overwhelmed by that. Sometimes those attachments can be for your adult's information so they can explain things better to you. Sometimes your adult might be able to copy out the attachment rather than print it out. Whatever works best for you is absolutely fine. And do remember there are always packs in school, so if you're having difficulties with printing, somebody could pop down to the school and the front office can photocopy a pack for you. The foundation subjects cover art this week, where we are asking you to draw a winter tree. There is a YouTube clip to look at, so you can draw along with the person in the clip. Have a go at drawing a winter tree, paint it, colour it in, whatever you'd like to do. We're also asking you to make snowflakes, thinking about individuality. Again, there's a PowerPoint to look at, and that will help you make those snowflakes. We're trying to make these activities as independent as possible, remembering that mummies and daddies have to work as well. There is a science experiment. Mrs. Cotton is making a video to explain that to you. There's cosmic yoga and a link to that for PE this week. And we'd also like you to think about your hopes for 2021. You can do this with your family. It'd be lovely to see what you're all hoping for and how you think those hopes could be achieved. Again, we've got an attachment for you, which is a thought bubble. You write your hope in there and how you think you could help achieve that hope. Now, we'd love these to be part of our atrium display. They're going to be doing them in school, so we'd like yours as well. So if you live in the village, maybe on a walk around the village, you could drop it in. There'll be a year one box in the front entrance for you to put it into. Or maybe you could post it to us and we could use it and take a photograph when the display's finished so that you can see your work on display. That would be fantastic. Okay, I've got my little crib sheet so I don't forget anything for you. Again, we'd like you to do as much of this independently as possible. Now, you might need your adult to help you get set up, to access the work on Purple Mash, to explain a concept to you, but we'd like you to have a go as independently as possible. And we've been asking your adults to write the word independent or just an I in a circle on the work so that we can see in school what you've been doing. Also, rather excitingly, we are going to be starting some Zoom calls so we can see you and speak to you face to face. Now, these are going to be in the style of parent consultation evenings, so your adults are aware of how to do this. They will sign up for a slot. When the time comes, we will Zoom each other and we will have a good 10 minutes to have a chat. You can show us what you have been learning. You can show us the work that you've produced, and if you have any difficulties, if there's anything you're struggling with, if there's something that's a bit challenging, we'll have an opportunity to have a chat about that. And that means everybody, we can talk to everybody individually and talk about what is concerning you or what you'd like to share with us. And we're hoping to do those quite regularly. So look out for the link for those. Also, any of the work you do, please, please, please keep hold of it. Make a file at home, and when we do come back together again in school, everything that you've done at home will be part of your learning journal in school. Okay, I hope this helps. I look forward to doing another video for you next week. I really look forward to seeing you all on Zoom. That's going to be absolutely lovely. Be nice to see your little smiling faces again. Stay safe, and we will speak soon. Bye for now.